Hi, Santosh here. So, how to make your business information appear on the Google? So, let's know some of the things we can look at it today. Today. So, customer reviews. So, how frequently you should be take customer reviews? I seen that some of the people are just dumb that all the customer review in the sense like they will actually get at a time like customer reviews like maybe 20, 30. So it will not make any sense on that. So it should be like have a frequency, maybe week or two. So like consistently, where customers or reviews are coming to the your business, that makes more sense. And then like so, review must be including like 200 characters with the your product or services, images, and the descriptions. That will be more valid. And coming back to the negative reviews is concerned, you can have like you can check with the internal team and you can revert back to them very clearly, like what is actually has happened and what actions you are taking on. So apart from that, there is a photos. So photos, like it should be the good quality of the photo that we can upload it, and it's maybe like shop or like your business photo. If it is a your if it is a shop, then it is a shop photo, and like your staff working that photos, or maybe like in the process involved in the business, that photos also we can include it. Up and then like it will come to the website. So website here, like website content must be focused on the unique selling propositions. In the sense, so why the business, your business exists, and what value or services you are giving to the customer. It should be highlighted. It should be very clear, clearly communicate with your customer. And then you can sort of the other information is there, like that's okay. But your USP, or you can say that your main purpose of the business should be highlighted. Then apart from the content, we also like another thing is that call to action. So call to action is so your button are like which will be clear words. So where they can a customer can buy the product or services. Then like steps when the customer are visiting to your profile or the website, what are the steps he should be take to buy the product? So that actually technically it is called as a user experience. Uh, so how you can guide them, how you can handle them to uh, share your business information, and then you can convince them to the buy it, and then make sure that it is easy for them to buy from your website or the your profile. That should be very clearly mentioned, and it is easy for them, the customer, to go through it. That is important. Apart from that, like you can also the locally we can mention the map where the local landmarks that you can mention it, so that nearby like your business is there. That is easy for the customer to locate it where the your business presence or business shop or the physical presence of the business is there. You can identify it. And then there's the internal link. Internal link is something where like when you are creating the your content, there is an internal link from the one subject to the another subject. How you can make it that or one link to the top, how you can make it to the another topics that you can do that. And then there is a citation or you can say aggregator link. So what are the related business you can able to list it your information. That is also important. So the more your listing the aggregator like sites or the in the listing, it will actually create a backlinks or the like links to your businesses that will automatically help to increase the appearance in the Google. These are some of the things which you can focus on to increase the ranking.